Hi guys, it's your girl Chaisea Zyme from STEM Travel 7, Saint Maria, Correct. So for today's video, we're going to make a model of a bacterial cell, and afterwards we're going to discuss the parts and function of it. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Construction, bottle, scissor, cutter, tape, yarn, glue, glue gun, and lastly, stick glue. So these are all the materials I will be using in making bacterial cell. So I'm done making the model of bacterial cell. Here is it. Bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotes lacking well-defined nuclei and membrane-bound organelles, and with chromosomes composed of single-closed DNA circle. They come in many shapes and sizes, from minute spears, cylinder and spiral thread, to flagellated rods and filamentous chains. They are found practically everywhere on Earth and live in some of the most unusual and seemingly inhospitable places. So for today, we're going to discuss the parts and function of bacterial cell. First is cell wall, which is this light green in my output. Cell wall. Each bacterium is enclosed by a rigid cell wall composed of peptidoglycan, a protein sugar molecule. The wall gives the cell its shape and surrounds the cytoplasmic membrane, protecting it from the environment. Second is capsule, which is this green outer part of the model. This. A capsule is made up of polysaccharide. Capsule plays a number of roles, but most important are to keep the bacterium from drying out to protect it from phagocytosis by larger microorganisms. Pili is this green yarn that is attached outside of the capsule. This outgrowth assists the bacteria in attaching to other cells and surfaces, such as teeth, intestine, and rocks. Without pili, many disease-causing bacteria lose their ability to infect because they are unable to attach to host tissue. So next is cytoplasm, which is this blue part here. Cytoplasm or protoplasm is a gel-like matrix composed of water, enzyme, nutrients, waste, and gases, and contains cell structures such as ribosomes and chromosomes and plasmids. The cell envelope encases the cytoplasm and its components. Next is this nucleus, which is this yarn inside the cytoplasm. Nucleus is a region of cytoplasm where the chromosomal DNA is located. It is not membrane-bound nucleus, but simply an area of cytoplasm where the strand of DNA are found. So next is cytoplasmic membrane, which is this yarn at the side of cytoplasm. Here. Cytoplasmic membrane is a structural trace bacteria shared with other living cells, a bacteria that allows them to selectively interact with their environment. Membranes are highly organized and asymmetric, having two sides, each side with a different surface and different functions. Membranes are also dynamic, constantly adapting to different conditions. So next is ribosomes, which is these violet dots. Ribosomes are microscopic factories found in all cells, including bacteria. They translate a genetic code from molecular language of nucleic acid to that of amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Bacterial ribosomes are similar to those of eukaryotes, but are smaller and have slightly different composition and molecular structure. Bacterial ribosomes are never bound to other organelles as they are sometimes in eukaryotes, but are freely standing structures distributed throughout the cytoplasm. So the last part of the bacterial cell is flagella, which is this. Flagella are hair-like structure that provides a means of locomotion for those bacteria that have them. They can be found at either or both ends of a bacterium or all over its surface. The flagella beats the propeller-like motion to help the bacterium move towards nutrients, away from the toxic chemical, or in the case of photosynthetic cyanobacteria, towards the light. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy and you learned something from me. This is the end. Chaisea Zyme is now signing off. Bye!